Hi and welcome to Case Club. Today we'll be reviewing our Oculus Quest 2 carry case. It's designed to hold everything you'll need for gaming on the go. First, we'll talk about the layout of the foam and then the features of the case. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove the foam plugs. The case can hold one Oculus Quest 2 headset or first-gen Oculus Quest, 2 touch controllers, one 15-watt power adapter, one frame-friendly glasses spacer, and also features an accessory pocket to store batteries or other accessories. The case will fit either the 64GB or 128GB version. The foam in our case is pre-cut and ready to perfectly fit your gear. No work on your end is required. Be advised, this foam is an upgrade from Pluck Foam. Unlike Pluck Foam, this foam is pre-cut, ensuring a perfect fit for your gear and saving you time from having to do it yourself. Another advantage of our foam is its military spec characteristics when compared to cheaper foam. When it's closed cell, it won't absorb liquid and you can easily clean it if it gets dirty over time. Cheaper foam, on the other hand, will absorb any liquids and slowly deteriorate. Also, it provides adequate cushion for your gear, but won't tear like the cheaper foam. And the foam in the lid is a much softer, convoluted polyurethane, whose ridges help to secure everything in place. Remember, anyone can sell a generic case and make you do all the difficult customization, but only Case Club specifically cuts the interior for the Oculus Quest 2 using only the best foam. The case has 2 snap latches with positive feedback, 4 padlockable holes for added security. In the back, there are durable mechanical hinges and 2 feet so that the case can stand upright on its own. A balanced integral handle for easy carry, as well as raised edges to make the case stackable if you have more than one. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.